These are the UT525B 5¼ inch IPX6 water resistant and 360-degree swivel mount rollbar speakers that can be used on the roll cages of UTVs in your XUV or powersport vehicle, the roll bars of your Jeep, and even for marine applications. Now these speakers are rated at 70 watts of RMS power, and each speaker features a 5¼ inch woofer with an 11-ounce magnet and a 1-inch Kapton voice coil. Each speaker also features a 1-inch dome tweeter, and this is all housed in a heavy-duty ABS enclosure that is IPX6 water resistance rated and has been fully marinized to withstand both saltwater and freshwater conditions. It's completely resistant to water, rust, and UV rays. Even the grills and hardware are fully weather resistant, and the speaker wire terminals are sealed internally with silicone, making them resistant to water to prevent any potential water damage once you run your speaker wires from your head unit or amp into these speakers. Now on top of its weatherproof and shockproof design, the shallow enclosure design makes it perfect to install in UTVs, ATVs, and marine applications where space is limited. Especially in UTVs where the roll bars are close to the drivers' and passengers' heads, these speakers are perfect because you will still be able to install them without having to worry about the back of the speakers hitting the back wall or your head. The shallow mount design makes it easy to install anywhere you want. Speaking of installing these speakers, it is very easy to do that with the fully adjustable aluminum mounting bracket. Now these speakers can be attached to any bars that range in size from 1.5 inch thick to 2 inch thick, and we include everything you need like additional rubber inserts to make sure that you get the most secure fit around your bar. So if you're attaching to a bar that isn't too thick, use the rubber inserts to fit between the mounting bracket and the bar for a nice snug fit. The mounting bracket also allows you to swivel a full 360 degrees, so once you find the position that most optimally fits your setup, you can lock it into place and attach the speakers to the bar. This 360-degree swivel plus the shallow enclosure depth truly makes the UT525B perfect for tight space installations. But you're probably wondering what a pair of these sounds like, so let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, you guys? So I have my UT525Bs all set up here and ready to go. I have my phone connected to the amp that these guys are connected to, so I'm gonna play some music so you can hear how these speakers sound. Here we go.
The UT525B is a pair of fully weatherproof and great sounding quality speakers that is going to change your ride whether you install them on the roll cage of your UTV, in your XUV or other power sport vehicle, the roll bars of your Jeep, or even on your boat. So if you're looking for a pair of 5¼ inch IPX6 water resistant roll bar speakers with a 360-degree swivel mount system, look no further than the UT525B from Rockville.